Do you know? Your morning routine doesn't just start your day, it decides it. If you start in a rush, you'll stay stressed until sunset. The fix? Stop asking your tired, low-power mode brain to make choices. Let your night version do the work instead. Step 1 is preloading your decisions. Think of it as making all the hard choices while you're actually awake. Instead of wandering the kitchen at 7 a.m., decide your breakfast menu tonight. Instead of staring at your closet, lock in your outfit before bed. Instead of wondering what you need for class, check your schedule and decide exactly what goes in your bag. When you wake up with a top 3 list already written, you wake up with a mission, not a question mark. Step 2 is removing friction. This is about making the right choice, the easiest choice. Don't hunt for your charger while the bus is coming. Pack your backpack and leave it right by the front door. Plug your phone across the room so you're forced to stand up to stop the alarm. When you leave a water bottle on your nightstand, you've cleared the path to win. You're not trying harder, you're just making it impossible to fail. But once your room is set up to make waking up easy, you need to make sure your body is actually on your side. That starts with fixing your internal clock. Do you know our body has an internal alarm clock called cortisol? If you wake up at 7 a.m. today and 10 a.m. tomorrow, you're giving yourself permanent jet lag. To fix the fog, try to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistent wake times trigger those wake-up hormones exactly when you need them, so your brain starts feeling alert naturally instead of forced. Your body is ready. But there's one thing that will hijack your brain before you even get out of bed. The dopamine trap. Skip the phone for the first hour. Scrolling gives you instant cheap dopamine, which literally trains your brain to stay in bed. Instead of letting an app choose your mood, grab a win outside the screen. Start your day with journaling, stretching, or water instead. Real wins outside the screen. You've won the mental battle. Now you just need to jumpstart your pulse. It takes less than 60 seconds. Instead of a long workout, use a 3-2-1 boost. 3 stretches, 2 deep breaths, and 1 mini jump. It's short, fun, and instantly wakes up your body and mind. Now, give your brain a target. Pick just 3 priorities for the day, not 10, not 20. A short list stops the overwhelm and gives you a clear finish line. When the mission is small, success is easy. But remember, that little voice in your head will still try to talk you back into comfort. That's the internal negotiation. When you feel it, don't fight it. Just label it. By naming the struggle, you take away its power. Remember, your morning routine doesn't just start your day, it decides it. By preloading your choices and silencing the negotiation, you're not just surviving your morning anymore, you're winning it. If you're ready to master your habits and build better days, hit the like button and subscribe to grow with us at Sproutus. But don't try to be a hero and do all of this tomorrow. You'll burn out by Tuesday. Just pick one thing, set the shoes or set the alarm or pack your bag. Small changes stacked together create big results. You've got this.